Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute a credit reporting error with Affirm. So let's get straight into it because it's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. So first step is to go to Affirm's website and then sign into your accounts. Next, when you sign into your account, you're just going to click on dispute a credit reporting error, and then you want to select the error that you want to dispute from the available errors, and then just provide documentation that's going to support your dispute. If you have those documents, you got to provide them here, and once that's done, just submit the dispute and wait for Affirm to review and respond to that. Now once they do, you gotta review and understand the responses and resolutions. You can check out the FAQs for that, and contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance, so you have a better understanding on the process. And lastly, you just want to review and understand the dispute process and its timelines. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a credit reporting error with Affirm. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.